fallacy in comparing us to smaller countries that have smaller populations, and the fact that, in the U.S. we have kind of a federal and state system that causes, I think, some of the disparities in funding for healthcare.
The disparities in funding in our country are primarily with Medicaid, because the state legislature decides how much money they're willing to spend, and then the federal government matches those funds. In states such as Colorado, where we're very tight with our Medicaid dollars, we have less funds from the federal government because we're not willing to fund that sufficiently. In a universal national plan, all individuals would have equal benefits and equal funding. I like Finland's model because they bring it down to the neighborhood basis where the decisions are made. In Finland, the federal funds are given to each administrative unit based on the population served, the number of people, the age of that population, the incidence of chronic disease in that population, the incidence of disability, and other cultural or racial factors that would impact the cost of meeting those people's needs. So they have a very sophisticated demographic formula for deciding how much money that administrative unit will need to meet the needs of everyone in their district. And I think if we design a system that is locally managed and administered, it doesn't matter what the population of the country is. If the funding is the same and everyone has equal comprehensive coverage from birth to death, it doesn't matter whether it's a state as small as Vermont or as big as Texas. The funds would be allocated.
Well, theoretically, that makes sense. But administratively, I think just when you think about the data systems you'd have to...
Excellent point. I didn't talk about data. It's critical that we have an electronic medical record system which is secure and protected and private, and all physicians in the country would have access to it. There are models in place. The VA system has a very good electronic medical record system, which is proven to work beautifully. Kaiser Permanente has installed in recent years a computerized medical record system, and Colorado was the first state in the country that had their newest, most sophisticated system installed. And they even have a segment of the medical record that the patient can access with their personal code to find out what the instructions were, what the prescriptions were, what the diagnosis is, and any other information their physician wants them to have. So medical records that are standard and communicating are absolutely essential for quality care. Too many mistakes are made and too many frustrations due to delays in communication. Yeah. Yes?
Speaking of computer records, I would like to see that doctors would have access to state-of-the-art diagnostic methods. Also,